All right, thank you, Abdullah, for making the time. So, talk to me. What was your financial knowledge, habits, or attitude before the Money Ready sessions?
During the Money Ready sessions, my knowledge was vague. I only understood like taxes were bad, but then I didn't know how much tax, what kind of tax, what types of taxes that would be on your paycheck. I also didn't really know too much about like how payment comes through, like you get a paycheck monthly. I didn't really understand like specifics on your paychecks. I just knew you get paid, there'll be deductions, obviously, like taxes and stuff. I didn't know I didn't actually know national insurance took a bit of money out of it. Yeah, actually thought just needed it as like a document for to actually like work. Needed just to work. You actually needed so that the government tax you from it.
Okay, nice. And you mentioned a load of things there, obviously, that you picked up. But what else did you learn in the session that's going to help you now moving forwards?
How like interest rates work and also pensions, because I'm pretty sure you have an automatic pension opened up for you if you're a citizen in the UK. So when I start working, I make money, I'll probably start getting money cut off from my pension. I knew that was already a deduction. And then it just keeps going into my pension, gathers interest, and then when I'm like 65, I think it's, 65 is when you get your money out. You just take the money, you have a lot to use.
It's good financial planning there. So speak to us a little bit more about that. Explain that a little bit further. What changes are you now going to make in your life from now in order to make those things happen in the future that you just spoke about?
I think something I need to really invest time into is budgeting when I find a new job. Because I'm pretty sure a really smart way, because I actually did go to another financial talk in Tate Britain, and a smart way to use your money is to open multiple accounts, one credit account and one debit account. And how credit cards work is there's like credit score and there's like different apps, like I think like Experian. If you do like certain, so it's like a criteria of different things you can do. If you fill out different tick the boxes in those criteria, you get more credit score. The more credit score you get, the more likely you're gonna get like more money from the bank if you ask for a loan, or like they'll trust you with mortgages and stuff like that. So you can have an account that manages your daily spending. You can have an account for like savings, or like even a third account for like emergency money. Like say you get into like a really bad situation, and then you can use the emergency money you have to save yourself from that. And another really interesting thing I learned was I think it was the 40-20, 30. It's like, I think you like, something like that. You just 40 into your necessities, 20 in your personal spending, 30% in your personal spending, 20% into savings.
Strong. So you're going to work on your budgeting, improving your credit score, and also using the 40-30-20 rule. Love that, man. Amazing.